All right, drink we're about to make is called the A-Rock. We've got a shot glass. It's going to be a shot. We're going to serve it directly in the shot glass neat. And I guess if you'd like to have it chilled, feel free to do that. We're going to start off with spiced rum. And just fill a third of the shot with spiced rum. And we'll follow that up with Jack Daniels. A third of a shot of Jack Daniels. Any Tennessee whiskey will do, or any whiskey for that matter. And finally, Southern Comfort. Just a third of a shot of Southern Comfort. And if you want, you can mix it up a little bit. Just get everything blended together. That is it. You're going to have 3 brown liquors mixed into a shot glass. It's not going to be anything fancy at all, just very to the point. The A-Rock, bottoms up.